Hello viewers, welcome to ECE Sradha Ocean. My name is Suresh Kumar. This is the 15th question from GATE 2019 ECE paper. In this question, they given a circuit and they are asking what type of output it is. So here there are two inputs are there, A and B, and I considered the possible combinations of inputs A and B. That is 4 combinations from 0 0 to 1 1. If we observe the circuit, the input A is connected to PMOS P2 and NMOS N2, and input B is connected to PMOS P1 and NMOS N1. When PMOS input is 0, it will on, that is it acts like a short circuit, otherwise off, open circuit. And in case of NMOS, when input is logic 1, then only it will on and acts like a short circuit, otherwise off, acts like open circuit. So according to these inputs, I taken them output conditions of these 4 transistors. If we observe carefully, when P1 and P2 both are on, then only this supply VDD will connected to the output, that is logic 1. Similarly, when N1 is on, then input A is connected to F, and when N2 is on, B is connected to the output. So here in the first condition only, P1 and P2 on, and remaining all cases we can't consider P1 and P2. So in the first case, output is VDD, and which is logic 1. In the second case onwards, we can neglect P1 and P2. Here N1 is on, that is output is connected to A and its value is 0. And here N2 is on, so output is connected to B, which is 0. And finally N1 and N2 both are on, that is output is the product of inputs A and B, which is 1. If we observe inputs and outputs, we can say one thing. When inputs are same, that is either both are 0 or both are 1, output is logic 1. And when inputs are different, output is 0, which is XNOR operation. So from the options, we can say that option B is the correct answer. Thank you.